I'm here at Lake Bolsena with a very good friend of mine, Paolo Civelli, who owns Free Time. What we're going to be doing is actually testing and having a look at the new Raymarine Dragonfly. We thought this would be a great lake to actually have a look at it on. There's some great features by which the water levels go from 40, 50 and then down to a much greater depth, and there's some great features underwater. Anyway, we'll get to it and be back to you shortly. What's particularly interesting about this is it really does highlight the contrast. You can see the weed here underneath the water. From a fishing point of view, it's really important to know where the weed is, because the fish tend to like the weed and go close to that. And of course, you know, what you don't want to do is get your line tangled up in it. But this is incredible to see such a clear image. And then if I go onto the other screen, again, very simple, click on that. That's straight onto the down imaging on the camera, and that's absolutely fantastic just to see how quickly and clearly that changes. We're actually going right over one of the swims where the anglers were competing in the event last year, and this was a very successful point. They caught lots of fish from here, so it's interesting to see kind of what they were fishing over and the swim that they actually had. They actually caught quite a few fish here, but what you can see here very clearly is the weed that there is, really clearly. So it's this is pretty much where they were fishing. Looking towards the actual GPS facility on this and the actual chart, there's the chart and the sonar. It just comes up with a basic map at the moment. One of the important things about Dragonfly is the fact that it's really easy to set the waypoints. I mean, literally, all you do is it's 3 clicks. 1 click, place the waypoint, 2, and OK. And that's it, and the waypoint's set. And that's really important because if you're out at night or there's a problem, not only can you navigate your way back using the waypoints, but also from a fishing point of view, you can actually use these to, right, this is a great area to fish, boom, hit the waypoint, that's it, you know where to go. Another great feature is it's really simple to see where the waypoints are. Literally click onto the chart and then turn, you can see your track, you can see where you've been, and you see the red crosses coming up. These are the waypoints we've just set. So literally, if this was a good place to fish, we'd know exactly where to go back to. So what you can see here is there's lots of weed. I mean, we're currently at 2.2 meters, and you can see the depth changing rapidly because there's a big drop off here. So this is a great area to fish, just in this area here. So right on the drop off.